as I have the Star Wars Stormtrooper headphones, like I said in the last video. These are, I forgot who this guy's name is, but he's in the new movie. And there's also Darth Vader and Yoda ones. So my first pick would have been the Yoda ones, but they weren't. But those were so sold out, and luckily I got the last Stormtrooper one in Toys R Us. There were also tons of Darth Vader ones, but I just didn't like those, so I didn't want them. In fact, I'm not really sure if I had wanted the Stormtrooper or the Yoda, because the white looks like really cool. If like these right here, because they're wool, I think. So if like these were white too, then that would be even better, because then it wouldn't really show the strings. Alright, now I'm going to do an unboxing. So I'm going to unbox this with these scissors. Hey, don't pull it. Alright. Hey, stop pulling it. These scissors are so dull. I hate these scissors. Look, see, I can't even go through plastic with them. I'm trying to do this, but it won't work because they're so dull. Dully. Alright, I think I'm gonna need to get the scissors from downstairs because these scissors just really suck. So, I'll see you guys then with the new scissors. Alright guys, so I'm back. And my dad opened it with the other scissors. So now I'm going to be unboxing it for real this time. I hope. At least I want it to be for real. Oh yeah. By the way, now is the garbage girl. Like any garbage here, just give it to her, and then at the end of the video, she'll just throw it out. Ow. Alright, I think I might need the scissors from downstairs, because this isn't working. Oh wait, I think I got it. Wait. I think I need the scissors again. Dang it.
Dang it. Oh my god.
Won't open. Alright, I'm gonna go get the scissors from downstairs and I'll be back. Finally, I'm gonna open this without the scissors. So, here's the thing. It's kind of ripped up though, but yeah. This is what the background looks like, by the way. And now, I'm down to the real deal. Alright, here's the thing that was there. Volume protected, no, volume reduced to protect hearing, it says right there. So unfortunately, these are not wireless headphones, but even though they're not wireless, they're still pretty cool. I feel like the Stormtroopers shouldn't be the only one that has guns. Alright, so right here's the doll. I think this is for the volume right here. And here's where you open it from here. So I'm gonna do that. Alright. Alright, I opened it. Let me just get it out. Alright, this is how long the cord is. It really feels and looks like those like noodles. But whatever. This could move a little bit. Right here, it's surround sound, I think. I think it's surround sound. It just says sound right there. Oh yeah, and they could also do like this. And they could, and of course they're adjustable. So like if you have like really big or like really small. Mine is probably gonna be in the middle, but whatever. So this is the new Star Wars headphones that I got today, like 2 hours ago or something. Wait, no, like 4 hours ago actually. So anyways, bye guys. I'll see you later with probably an Akinator video on Wednesday with me and my friends to check out Akinator. So alright guys, bye.